Are you a passionate photographer looking for ways to make money with your art? Look no further. In this video, we will discuss 5 creative ideas to make money with photography in 2023. From selling prints to creating stock images, these ideas will help you turn your passion into a profitable business. So, let's get started. Selling stock photos. Selling stock photos is one of the most popular ways to make money with photography in 2023. Stock photos are photos that are licensed to be used in a variety of ways, such as in magazines, websites, advertisements, and more. To get started, you will need to create a portfolio of your best photos and submit them to stock photo websites. Once your photos are approved, you can start selling them for a commission. You can also set your own prices and make money from each sale. Create a photography business. Creating a photography business is another great way to make money with photography in 2023. You can offer services such as portrait photography, wedding photography, event photography, and more. You can also create a website to showcase your work and attract more customers. You can also use social media to promote your business and reach a wider audience. Sell prints. Selling prints is another great way to make money with photography in 2023. You can create prints of your photos and sell them online or in person. You can also create custom prints for customers, such as family portraits or wedding photos. You can also create prints of your photos and sell them in galleries or art shows. Become a freelance photographer. Becoming a freelance photographer is another great way to make money with photography in 2023. You can offer your services to companies, magazines, websites, and more. You can also create a portfolio of your work and promote it online to attract more clients. You can also use social media to showcase your work and reach a wider audience. Teach photography classes. Teaching photography classes is another great way to make money with photography in 2023. You can offer classes in person or online, and teach people how to take better photos. You can also create tutorials and ebooks to help people learn more about photography. You can also use social media to promote your classes and reach a wider audience.